Ya koti ya Meru ninenkanirite igamba ria rwaria rwa kwingirirwa kwa governor wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza Kirendori Ncheke kuringana itua ria mugambithania Linus Kassan ni ati bunge ya Meru na governor Mwangaza mabatigwe kinya mbere ya kanjo ya Kurumau mbere ya Jumatano ya kiumia giki tareo auke. Itua ria nirimeneretwe bunene ni MCA ma Meru na mumama wakiri ma Meru ni baria mamwe maugite njaji uyu ati kumenya wira wawe na gutirio koti yananenkanira igamba kiri akuru ma mugongo. Na wakiaria mugambi Manyara uria ni mutarikirira wa governor Kawira Mwangaza augite Meru negie na rwaria rwa ngwataniro Muthuri Muriuki atwambirerie na riboti ino.
Nyuma ya mbunge ya Meru kwithorete terwaria na kurita gavana wa Meru Gitera ya thatu na ni gavana Kawira Mwangaza na kinyire kotini Meru mbere ya mugambithania Linus Kassan nikenda kurigiria kwingwa kwawe. Na kiri gamba riri nandi mugambithania Kassan ethwa kirungika county assembly ya Meru kwithwa kiarire kwingwa kwa gavana ntuke Aramisi Nthiru. Indi amana bubu auga ntuke narua akethwa Gita Mpumi uragitite gamba riri. Na nandi mwerekera jirwa ejanire augire ati county assembly ya Meru amana gavana beteke kanjwa Njuri Ncheke nikenda bomba kuthabeka rande nabo na kwaririo ntububu irinjire mwe kugwatanira na mwerekera juri na ndijumite uri nyime mwandiki munene kiama Njuri Ncheke Mwenje Ospat Murangiri kwithwandikirite koti kukurukira wakili na Skimita akiwa na kwendeka mbarere rungikwa nikenda bunge ya Meru amuna gavana mbakarande na kwaraniria
na yo Njuri koti na nitikania na Njuri egwa Njuri ya jana prayer number CND ya egwa Njuri ekwethwa Mikas Number 2, Njuri ni teka rende goro na antu baba na both parties chirochite by intariki that is by auke chiamuri jojo baka rende goro na Njuri pone edra boma ko resolve the dispute they have na Njuri ya one biumia bithatu kuma narua kwethego fired outcome ya negotiations rikethirio kana mediation process kwethra gwikyo kironekana gikiega kana biaura kwande kuma court na yegwa ruinge abatire ko deliver naru antariki 29 yo mikia mwanka tariki 20 cia mweri jujungi
nguruki kuringana na wakili na Skimita augitewe atatetera uterero assembly kana gavana iri ni Njuri Ncheke na kuguru kwende kona Njuri Ncheke na ndiko yokanya kakuthwe kiaririo ntububu
decision yote uteno nda representa babari ndwan governor kana county assembly onde ali ndade ngoge ne council of elders ya Njuri Ncheke na nyaunde mukuru wa Njuri Ncheke ndali Njuri na nembijingo ira Njuri ritaga na I've seen some of their works they do. So today I'm very happy that at least their work is being recognized and appreciated in the legal system. So that now the attempt here to resolve dispute about impeachment is still advancing the governance because you are seeing okay, what is the issue here? How can it be resolved? Of course, if it is not cannot be resolved, the court has the final answer at the end of the day.
Na bubu wakili mugambi Manyara ureno kinya mwaja nikirira kemanto jegi watho kingavana Meru augitiere kirariri ni rirega no tunani kuri na mwanka Njuri Ncheke bakarende nikenda bera koti kethira mbunge ya Meru egete na mbere kwinga Kawira kanari
kire antu bakuria ni ati Njuri Ncheke rejererea Njuri Ncheke tikayejera kayari okuma mbere no tundiritete ngugi o mieri ire kana ethatu ngugire i president na report yao itiraumira no to president neteri amerisivu na announce ule kuga kwa uba pia ntariki 31 ke Njuri Ncheke ni kaeja na further directions kanora manto jageta. In the meantime court yugire manto jago impeach Kawira na motion yere era rikoretwa nirunge kwa mwanka report ya Njuri Ncheke yume na Njuri Ncheke na baba ibyo bingi bithatu via kuthirania na rwaria rwa impeachment na bachoke ba file report court
akiwa nandi ona kinya kethira mbunge china ruthara kwenga gavana itiberiko thithio ujo paketa kiuta tina watho
kirira twita abuse of impeachment power woni ndona yaka county assembly iko abuse power ubai ya kuimpeacha gavana ibabwire to mitumaira sparingly kana tika gita konde orera kwinaga issue watweka impeachment no solution. Impeachment yedo era resort ugere yenjere inge chionde chiare ma ligugeta impeachment nabo beta impeachment straight utubonge pagereti ikyo gyo tumo kuona na ndikinya koti riwa choke nike Njuri Ncheke kenda Njuri Ncheke nayo ibuthikiria na yamba kulita report yoyo ne chokere to kotini na ingotika report era Njuri Ncheke kaandika ekanga indi court ura manto ja impeachment yageta ruterwa Meru moving forward
Antonio Naku wakiri Marius Maranya etho akiorotera mugambithani uju akigonde bona thithitini gutatena watho.
I am really perturbed kana kuri arrangement ya no Justice Kasano of Meru agirifa the impeachment process ke Njuri Ncheke. Wambere that is a very wrong, it's a wrong decision. Nonto what the MCA is but address is a constitutional issue. If you look at Article 165 of the Constitution, where constitutional issues can only be handled, constitutional issues are handled only in the High Court. Not even the Majesty. The Majesty doesn't have power to handle constitutional issue. So the moment you refer a constitutional issue to another informal body, no more abdicate your role as a constitutional court.
Bojaire Maranya ugite Njuri Ncheke yomba kwethwekewa kanya ya kuthikira manto jege katiba.
Judge about which address on matters that have been presented before him. Court data reporting wiki discussion between the MCAs and the Njuri Ncheke and the president. So referring to a matter that was not before you or presented before you, it is handling some, it's considering extraneous issue. Referring refer a matter back to Njuri Ncheke, that is an issue that should even be undertaken on a disciplinary. The JSC should undertake it on disciplinary issue. That is completely your role, and besides abdicating your role, you confer that role to another amorphous body.
Na bojato nandi otuko tiumba kwa murati mbunge ya Meru amana ngavana bete bakalendeke Njuri Ncheke elele bobongo babwiri gwetekanirio ntobobo.
So Odemakwa, I have ordered you with and before Njuri Ncheke udhikero Njuri Ncheke nonto. It is voluntary. It is for the parties to volunteer to appear before Njuri Ncheke. Nonto you are handling, it's an ADR, it's an ADR form, it's an alternative dispute resolution. Lakini there are parties who want to appear before it. In a continue to if this party agree, it's a resolution between the two of us, our matter can be subjected to Njuri Ncheke. But usually it's a lot of issues, reconciliation, like the constitutional issue.
Muthuri Murioki, Woro TV, Mutirejo Kangangi.